You are going to do a refraction lab to see how light bend as it travels from air to a prism that made out of glass, and vice versa from prism to air. Place your prism on the indicated location on this page. You will be getting a handout. Shine a single ray along each incident angle as shown on the diagram. You do not need to do all of the measurement. Please look at your data sheet to find out what measurement you will be doing. But it is recommended that you mark the position of each reflected ray with on the protractor with a line like that using a ruler, of course. Label it with corresponding incident angle so that you don't mix it up with other rays. Notice this data table. So as you recorded the refracted angle, what do you notice about the trend in the refracted angles? Please do this analysis with a partner.